Hello friends, today we are playing best train game for kids called Lego Brick Train game. So let's play. Click select any engine, assemble their parts. And friends, this game link given in the description. If you want to play this interesting game, check description please. Okay, when assemble, click right button. Okay, let's choose bogie. I choose same color bogies for this. 1, 2, and for last we choose another bogie. Okay, let's start. Now choose horn. And now play. Start playing. Okay, let's start. Friends, this game link given in the description, so download from there. Okay, so assemble this track and you need to go. Okay, let's start. Oh, now clear the track to fill the barrel. Okay, now this train is going for the black tunnel, so we are also going from passing through this tunnel. Okay, we are going now from the small tunnel. Friends, this game is very useful for kids, especially 3 to 8 years kids. Okay, now we reach the destination. Okay, now we assemble the separate train. In this you change color, choose engine. Okay, choose engine, bogies. In this case you have to use your mind to achieve the best result you get. I'm just applying this. Okay, okay, we are done. Now choose his tires, scale up and down, choose another and another, scale down it. Okay, now we need to check it's right or not. Okay, plus. Now check, we are checking this. Okay, so now what we are doing, adding some additional details, some small details, and we are ready to play. Okay, let's go. Okay, now choose bogies. This time we choose different type of bogies but same color. Okay, so let's start playing. Choose horn. Okay, now play. Start playing. Oh, friend, this is a really awesome game. You can you can doing some small task or play, customize your engine, customize your bogies, customize everything, and you're going to play. This is the best game. You can check the description for this, how to play. Okay, we need to go. We need to clear this track once again. Okay, now need to go. Okay, now we are going to reach our destination. Yes, we reach. Okay, so let's check this black color engine and assemble its part and start playing. This is a really awesome game to play. I recommend everyone to play this game at once. The game link given in the description, you can download from there. Okay, let's choose the bogie. Now this time we choose black color bogies because to match the engine. Okay, now let's play. Start. There are many levels in this game, but we are playing one level to just show you how interesting this game is. Okay, let's go. Clear the optical. and we are ready to go. To black tunnel. Okay, now we go to the small tunnel to reach our station. Labo Brick Train game. It's a really funny game for playing. Now you can choose different engine, different bogie, play with it. So hope guys you are like this video. If you like the game, please check the description for app link.